Hi, my Nadians. Here is a quick and easy recipe for you all. And this is Ghetto Oxtail. Turkey neck. Yes. So you see how pretty it is? I rinse it off in vinegar and lemon juice. And I take off the membrane. Clean it up properly. Alright? And let it drain. And you see, I just put some oil on it. Put any oil of your choice. Alright? And I'm going to add all my spices. Spices of your choice. Is your kitchen. Alright? We have meat season, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose season. I have, I put out some jerk season on it. Yes. Some paprika and all my vegetables. Garlic, right? Onion, scallion, thyme, all colorful peppers. And I'm combining all together. And here is my browning. And you do not want to put a lot of browning, okay? Because it will have a bitter taste. And you just combine together. Guys, what you could also do, you could marinate your meat a day before. Alright, but for me, I'm going to cook my meat right now. So what I have here now, I have my pan and my stove. Alright, and I add in some oil. Use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to wait until the oil is hot. Then I'm going to put my meat in and let it fry, let it brown on both sides. About 2 to 3 minutes. Or to your liking. So I remove the herbs, alright, and put it into the pan. Put it into the comment section and let me know if you eat turkey neck. And if you never try turkey neck before, please do so. Yes. I grew up on turkey neck in Jamaica, I love bony meat. Turkey neck, chicken neck, chicken wings, anything with board, anything with bone, that's me. Yes, guys. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my old-time subscribers and my new subscribers, okay? Please thumbs up the video, share, comment. Look at it, guys. Tell it smells so good. Please comment and let me know if you ever cook turkey neck, if you ever eat turkey neck. And it's similar to oxtail, guys. You know, oxtail is very, very expensive back home, right? Even here in Canada. Oxtail is expensive. And it kind of, have the bone like shape. Some of them shape like oxtail. So we call it ghetto oxtail. Look how beautiful it is, guys. So at this moment, guys, what I'm going to do is add some hot water. So just pour it in about 2 to 3 cups or 2 cups. And if you have pressure pot, guys, and you want to pressure it, you pressure it. All right, I have a pressure cooker, but I'm not using pressure cooker. Seem like you need more water to me. Cause with me, guys, I love my meat well done. Any meat I'm eating, well done. Supposed to fall off the bones. So I just put my lid on and turn it to medium and let it simmer. Okay? Let it cook to your desire. So at this time, I'm going to add more veggies. Add my carrots and more veg. Time for the ketchup. We Jamaican love ketchup. If you do not use ketchup and you want to use tomato paste, you use your tomato paste. Alright, but I love my ketchup. I add some ketchup in. And guys, you add water in, so you know you're going to need more season. Right? So you just season to your liking. Yeah, just adding some more season. I love seasoned food, guys. Seasoned meat, yeah, I love my meat seasoned. And look what I have. My butter bean. Yes. I add my butter bean. And I'm going to have it, my turkey neck, guys, with rice. White rice. Look at it, guys. Look at. I say it smells so good. Now let me tell you, it tastes so good too. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to please like, comment, share. Okay. Have a great day.